Yeah, hello, Professor. So our topic is like online voting using face authentication. So our teammates are like myself, Soundarya, and Vishal, Prashanti. So we are going to give the presentation today. So Prashanti, can you please share the screen? So from here, Vishal will take over.
Hello, Professor. Myself, Vishal. I'm gonna explain about the presentation of our project topic. The outline of the project is we're gonna discuss about this introduction and background, project objectives, data collection, methods, results, observation and discussions, at last references. Next. So, abstract. Face detection as attracted significant concern, appreciated as the most capable application of image analysis. The face detection method in picture associated with the human faces, like expression, position, pose, orientation, presence of glasses, skin color, presence of facial hair, lighting conditions, image resolution, and variations in camera gain. So the OTA details can be stored in the database storage server. So if anyone trying to cast, they are in various places, even this system can identify them easily to using their OT. The experimental result shows a proposed system as efficiency. Introduction and background. The election system is conducted in an easy way, can be authenticated and cast their vote to the desired candidates. The main agenda of the system is voting system with biometric face recognition. In the earlier voting, for casting the vote, voters should reach the poll booth and show their voter ID to cast their vote. To overcome all these issues, we have developed an online voting system based on face recognition. Capture their image with webcam and check with database storage server. Hence, it can reduce the time complexity and avoid the multiple entries of OTIN. Face detection is absolutely a computerized vision technology which is utilized for locating or visualizing human faces. The essential problem involved in computer vision to figure out automatic object detection with no human interventions. Project objectives. In the earlier times, the use of electronic voting is elections remain a controversial issue. The voting system has become more complex and different methods of election fraud as identified. To overcome all this challenge, our online voting system using face recognition uses the voter details which are stored in our database server. While casting the vote, the voter will be authenticated based on their respective faces and it compares with the database server. So it allows to poll and vote with a person is valid. If the data is not matched with the data in the server, the person is not authorized to cast their vote. Voters can save time and cost by being able to vote independently from their location.
So data collection. Coming to data collection, the data we required is related to the user such as the people and parties. So we developed the database in SQL, in MySQL. Our database name is voting. There are three major database tables in our project. They are the admin one, the voter, that is the voter where you can register his username, password, and email, and the mobile number. And in the nominee table, it consists of the nominee name and the symbol name, where the nominee can do their registration. And in the admin table, he has got like add nominee, view nominee, and voting results, face detection analysis, and classification analysis. These are the data collections, and we collected the data based on like the self collection and also from some articles. So next, coming to methods. These are the technologies and tools which we have used in our like desk application. So we are going to see about the uses and importance. The first one is the Skylearn. Skitlearn is the most useful module for classification of the data set. So most of these algorithms, this will be totally based on implementation of the KNN and the SVM classifier algorithms. Second one is the OpenCV module, which is used to identify the objects from the digital images, where like for example in an image, it is used to identify the number of faces in the images. So in the image processing, the machine can understand image in the pixel format. So with this is achieved with the use of the OpenCV. And in the preparation of the desktop application, so coming to this, we have used the Python, that is PyQt5 module. So it has the GUI components like the button, label, and line edit. So it is used for building the desktop application. So this we use to build our desktop application. And for training the ML classifiers, we used Keras API. Using this module, it will read the images in the format of pixels, which understands the MI classifier. And these are all the methods. And coming to the results, for evaluation of the performance of face detectors, different metrics can be used. Like, for example, execution time, learning time, and the sample necessary in training, and the ratio between the false alarm and the detection rate. So as stated by Kumar in 2019, face detection strategies can be categorized under 4 techniques, which are like feature invariant, knowledge-based, appearance-based, and the template matching. So we have used these techniques to obtain our results. And next, the author 2020 has implemented secure voting system based on face recognition. So we have developed an online web application where the voter gets first authenticating with the face, and he can just register his details along with his face. So our database will verify his face and check whether he's authenticated or not. If he's an authenticated person, then he's valid to vote, otherwise he's denied to vote. And next, observations and discussions. In this research, we have proposed, as we said, we have proposed a face recognition system for voting using Python system. So we have implemented a few algorithms, which is like AdaBoost and LBR AdaBoost algorithms for face recognition. For the demonstrations, we developed the online voting system with face detect concept using the ML classification techniques for face authentication analysis. So we have used like 2 different algorithms for face detection and 2 algorithms for face authentication analysis. So the system experimental research will show like the AdaBoost algorithm will detect more faces than the LBR AdaBoost algorithm. So let's get into our project. So Prashanti will take over from this.
Thank you, guys. Okay, this is the like Vishal and Soundarya has explained the main theme of our project. So it is nothing but based on the online voting system. It's an online voting system where the where people get a chance to vote through online rather than walking through the poll booths. So this will be the like this will be our main project. It says like we'll have the 2 modules. That one is the admin module and the other will be the voter module. And let me share my Python charm. Like Soundarya said, like we have used the Python charm to develop our project, and this is the this is the UI how it looks.
So Prashanti, we can't see your screen.
Now?
Yeah.
No? Okay. Thank you. And yeah, we have, this is the PY Charm. This is the main application where we have developed our this online voting system. We have imported all our coding into these libraries. So the first will be the main thing. In the main, we have developed all the code, like how the labels should look and how is it gonna import from the other rules. I'm going to run the main module. So this is the face detection based on face recognition and based on the Python, we have developed our code. So first when I click on the admin, so that admin has to log in with the username and password. So I'll just give the username as admin and the password. This is the admin home. Guys, you can see it, right? Yes?
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
it's visible.
So like Sandra said, like we have 5 roles in this admin page where we have first one is admin nominee, view nominee, voting results, face detection analysis, and the classification analysis. Now, when I click on the add nominee, he has to add him or herself first. So the nominee name should be like my name. And I can give like any of the symbol that we are looking for. Just say like computer is my symbol, which I would like to nominate for. Yeah, it says the nominee is added successfully. Now I'll go to the view nominees. Here you can see like these are the sample ones we have given while we are executing the code. And now the Prashantia has been added. Now let me go to the OTR page. This is the OTR one. So first the OTR login is like they have to register themselves.
Can you try giving some other name, because you
Okay.
already gave your name and nominee?
I'll give you answer. Before registering, like I'll have to click on the webcam where it captures my picture. So I'm going off on the video because it is like already on video. It is going to capture my picture now. Now I'm going to click on the register. It says the register is successful. And the picture is also captured. Now I'm going to log in with the username and the password. Guys, what did I give?
I think it is Soundarya 1. It's not
Soundarya
13, I think. Yeah.
Soundarya 1.
Yeah.
Password? I don't remember. And then I'm going to submit it.
Yeah,
Okay, it says authorized. You wanna, Sandhya, explain it.
Yeah. So as it is like in the starting, we register with this phase. So while logging in, it will validate the voter based on whether the face matches with the one which is registered while giving in the starting voter login page. So that's how it works. If the voter is a valid person, then he's eligible to work. Then he can see the like voting page. If not, it will show as like invalid voter.
Yes.
So now we are going to show you like how the voting works. So now it is like verifying the image, like the face. No, yeah.
Yeah, this is
So
the one.
now it is showing with the username and
Yeah.
yeah. So now we are going to cast the vote.
Yeah, this is the voter login page, and this is the voter
This is-
registration dialog box. And then these are the admin home where I have explained all these things, add nominee, view nominees, and I'm gonna go through, go with the voting results now.
Okay, so now after the face gets verified, Prashanti is going to cast a vote. So I think it's Soundarya one, the username. Yeah, login and from here, like you can give submit.
I can give submit, I guess.
Yeah. No, or not authorized since you did not validate it again.
No?
Yeah. Oh. I think you need to capture
Close
it
this.
again. Yeah.
I have to close this now.
Mm-hmm. Not authorized. So yeah, in the meanwhile, like or Prashanti, you can try giving the voter details which we gave before. Since we gave two faces for the same,
Yeah, same thing. That is not
so
taking.
I think
Let me try this.
yeah. Mm-hmm. Close this. Yeah.
I guess this is not the image. Okay, let me keep this and then submit.
Not authorized.
It should be reverse, I guess.
Okay. In the meanwhile, let us see if not about the admin in the admin.
Okay.
So in this, like, so after that, it will take us to the voting results page where we like
Yeah, this
already
is the
gave
one like Soundarya computer, and the one before, like if it is authorized, then it's gonna give me the option to vote. Then it pop-ups this one, like when I click on the view results, it's like Soundarya has voted for one party. Number of votes is 1, and she used the symbol for computer. And next one would be the face detection analysis.
Yeah. So as we said, we have used 2 algorithms to detect the faces, which are ARA AdaBoost and the LBP AdaBoost one.
Yes.
So now we are going to browse an image. So it's phase 4.
And
Okay.
it's gonna detect it now. Yeah, it has detected all the faces.
So, and for the same image, like we are going to use
Other algorithm.
yeah.
Yeah, it has also detected all the faces which are authorized to vote.
And next,
One will be the classification analysis.
okay, and another one is the classification analysis. In that we have used like the KNN classifier and the CVM classifier one. So so
Now, when I click on the classification analysis, it says like the information here, the face features has been extracted, and it's gonna run the classification analysis in the background.
yep. So it is taking a while.
Yeah. Yeah. Now here is the face. It's the classification analysis based on the KNN and simplifier classifier and the SVM classifier. The blue one represents the KNN, and this represents the SVM. So here we have the accuracy, and this is how much accurate it is. It shows the accuracy, like how the results are being accurate based on the KNN classifier and the SVM classifier.
And this graph was based on the image which we gave like before. So the KNN detects more faces than the SPM classifier. So it provides more accuracy. So let us get into the PPT again. So
here, this is how adding the nominee, where I have shown like a nominee has been added successful, and it shows the nominee details. It has shown my details like Soundarya and the symbol they are using for, and these are all the sample. And this is the face detection with the HARA AdaBoost. So it has detected almost all the faces except few of them which are like hidden. It could not recognize the other faces because they're not so clear. So which is why it could not recognize the other faces.
And also like coming to the previous one, like the ARA AdaBoost will detect like more faces comparatively. Like in this you can see it has detected all the faces, whereas like in the LBP algorithm some have missed. So comparing both algorithms, the ARA AdaBoost gives much more better results.
Yes.
Yep. So
And the one which I've seen is the face detection analysis based on the voters, and it's gonna give you the analysis of how many faces it has detected.
Yeah. So with the ARA AdaBoost, it has detected more like 26 faces, and with the LBP, it has detected like nearly like 21 faces.
21,
So it is-
22 faces.
Yep. So
And this is the classification analysis which I have discussed earlier. And the next one is like the voting dialog box, which it did not pop up, but yeah, this is the voting dialog box. So when the user is authenticated, then they're gonna go and have they'll go and vote it to this particular party. Here is a drop down where it will have a list of parties. Like if you're having 4 or 5 parties, it's gonna show all the party names, and we can go ahead and select which one we would like to vote.
so this pops up after the face get authenticated. Yeah.
Nice. Yes.
So
And here we can see the Alice has voted for party 1, and it is going to capture
vote
it. I mean, it's going to say
successful.
vote successful, which is going to send in our database.
Yep.
And the next slide is like, how can we improve it? In this project, like we have implemented the face recognition with the online voting with the help of face recognition system. So it will recognize all the facial expressions like happy, sad, when you're neutral or angry, irrespective of whatever you're doing. So this kind of features will be used at the real-time restaurant feedback system where the customers can provide their reviews, and it can be captured using the face detection concept. Sunny, would like to add anything? Vishal, you would like to add anything?
No. Yeah. Good.
No, yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
So
then summary.
coming to the summary, as we have seen from the graph, using ARA AdaBoost, we have detected like 26 faces more accurately than the LBR AdaBoost, which has detected like 21 faces. So, and that's all with the summary we have. So using online voting using face recognitions, it will be like more easy to vote than with the traditional one voting system. So that's all. Any of you need to add anything? So yeah, it's good, I think. Then thank you, Professor.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.